What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera crashing issue in HyperOS. So to fix this issue, first of all open camera app. Now tap on this drop down arrow to open this menu and then tap on this settings icon. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings option, and then from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So now the camera settings are resetted back to factory default, and after resetting the camera settings the camera crashing issue will be fixed. But if you're still facing the issue, then tap and hold on the camera app and then tap on this information icon. Now tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to force stop the camera app, and after force stopping the app the crashing issue will be fixed. But somehow if you are still facing the same issue, then the last solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when this circle gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the camera crashing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera crashing issue in HyperOS. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.